They're my very first set of TAs, and they've really set the bar really high. And so, I'm just praying that, next semester, if I'm lucky enough to have TAs, that they are just as good as the 3 girls that I've had.
The partnership with Waco ISD and Baylor University started over 27 years ago. So there are interns and teaching associates located all over our school district, but the professional development schools are Hillcrest Elementary, Bells Hills Elementary, Cesar Chavez Middle School, and University High School.
They came up with a really great roll a turkey activity, where they roll the dice and then they get to draw the parts of the turkey. And, that's really creative. And I love, they're like incorporating math. Oh my God,
The governance for the professional development model is what's most impressive about this professional development partnership. It's received tons of recognition, and usually it's the model or the exemplar that everyone uses. And the governance structure consists of the partnerships between the university and the district level, and then also it has campus steering committees. In addition, what's different than what you'll see at some PDS sites is that we have site coordinators and university liaisons.
I come out to the schools, particularly during the time when the teaching associates or TAs are doing their work in social studies in the classroom. Lauren and Sophia did some work on the importance of being participative and active citizens.
It's unlike most programs because they start in their freshman year with a novice experience, and then they have some additional experiences their junior year. What we're really proud of is that their entire senior year is a full experience where they teach a class. And so when they go out into the field to get their job after graduation, they've had an entire year of an internship. So it's like already hiring a teacher with 1 year of experience at least.
I like how, Baylor prepares their pre-service teachers like that.
What's great about the partnership is that many of our Baylor students, they are not familiar with the urban experience. So when they work in our schools, they fall in love with the kids and the experience, and they want to stay. We were able to hire about 10% in the 2019-2020 school year. That's a significant number because most programs, you won't find a school district that's able to hire 10% of the candidates. Our goal is to increase that number because they're amazing at what they do, and we want that level of professionalism. We want that level of expertise in our classrooms with our students. In addition to the PDS partnership, it's had a lot of influence overall on just the community and the relationship with Waco ISD. Other collaborations have spawned off as a result of the partnership of the PDS, from the reading buddies. There have been opportunities where Baylor professors have provided support for parents, for English language learners.
We so appreciate the partnership with Waco ISD because it has enabled us to increase opportunities for our teaching associates to become better teachers earlier on and learn from the experienced teachers in Waco ISD, and we couldn't be more proud of the legacy that they leave us with.